The Médoc is one of the world's most well-known wine-growing terroirs, or areas. Why are its 8 appellations or designations so famous? Let me help you understand and discover the particularities of the region's AOCs, which means Controlled Designations of Origin. There are 2 regional AOCs and 6 communal AOCs in the Médoc. Communal designations are for those tied to a commune or municipality, such as Margaux, Saint-Julien, Pauillac, Saint-Estèphe, Listrac, or Moulis. Regions are larger designation areas, such as AOC Haut-Médoc in the south and AOC Médoc in the north. AOC Médoc can count the most vines planted, and every type of soil is represented in this area. The dominant Merlot produces wine with a charming nose and a structured palate with delicate and harmonious tannins, giving them an accessible character from when they are young. The AOC Haut-Médoc extends 60 kilometers from north to south, with very varied terroirs that surround the communal AOCs. The wines produced are generally expressive and fruity, and the tannins are delicate and juicy on the palate, allowing the wines to be drunk in their youth or after around a decade. Historically, merchants valued wines according to their origin because they realized that the soils gave wine different characteristics depending on the commune where they were produced. In the west of the region, in Listrac and one part of Moulis, we find the oldest and highest wine-growing terrace in Médoc. It is made from Pyrenean gravel mixed with clay limestone soils. Merlot thrives here. This is also the case in the western region of AOC Moulis, where the clay-topped chalky outcrops make up the ideal soil for Merlot. Towards the estuary, the Moulis terroir changes into Garang gravel, which promotes cultivation of the finest Cabernet Sauvignon. The nose of these wines develops pleasant freshness and delicate fruit. The Merlot expresses itself with an appealing roundness in the mouth. Margaux, the most southern, is the largest of the communal AOCs. It boasts a record number of 21 Grand Cru classes, a top designation. Its delicately nosed wines are fine and intense, aspects imparted by smooth tannins. Cabernet Sauvignon is king of the Saint-Julien and Pauillac AOCs, where it flourishes on homogeneous gravels that are unique in the Bordeaux region. Almost 90% of the soils from these 2 AOCs are Grand Cru classes. Their wines have noses with striking personalities and palates with remarkable combinations of cedar and black fruit. The aromas developed in the mouth with well-structured tannins offer a sappy note from Pauillac and ultimate smoothness from Saint-Julien. These 2 AOCs produce wines that age very well. Saint-Estèphe is the most northern commune, and all the families of the renowned crus are represented there. Its gravel and clay soils give the wines full-bodied and seductive aromas. The wine structure is striking, and it can be stored in cellars for many years. Médoc appellations are much richer and more varied than they may seem. They are more surprising and accessible than ever.